Hey, Tanner Success here. For all of you novice Python developers out there, you may be running into issues where you're not remembering how to create a function or how to instantiate a class. You should always take notes on these things, simply because when you take notes, it helps to ingrain those concepts in your brain. And it also helps your subconscious mind to draw connections with those concepts. So just always remember that whenever you're learning something new, take notes on it. Like here, I'm building a bot in Selenium. But when I first started to learn Selenium, I took notes. And not only does it help with your memory, you can always go back to your notes. It's similar to when you comment out your code, right? So that when you go back to something, or if you hand it off to someone else, they can see exactly what you did and why you did it. So just be sure that when you're learning a new concept, to take notes. Peace.